Derek Ramsey, nagsalita na. Ellen Adarna, may patama nga ba kay Derek Ramsey?
Naglabas ng pahayag si Derek Ramsey kaugnay ng supercar na na-flag dahil sa umano'y pekeng license plate. Mariing itinanggi ni Derek na isa siyang smuggler o nag-import ng sasakyan sa Pilipinas. Ayon sa aktor, 4 na taon na niyang binili ang supercar mula kay John Lee ng J-Works gamit ang sarili niyang pera. Sinabi niyang ipinaalam sa kanya noon na tax-paid ang sasakyan at maayos ang mga dokumento nito. Naisagawa rin umano ang pagpaparehistro sa LTO at nailabas ang registration at mga plaka sa ilalim ng kanyang pangalan. Aniya, wala siyang ideya kung bakit ngayon lamang lumitaw ang problema. Nakipagtulungan na rin siya sa LTO at handa siyang makipagtulungan sa Bureau of Customs para malinawan ang issue. Narito ang pahayag ni Derek.
I am not a smuggler, nor did I import this vehicle into the country. I have never imported any vehicle into the Philippines. I purchased this car 4 years ago from John Lee of J-Works using my hard-earned money. At the time of purchase, I was informed that the vehicle was tax-paid. The vehicle was subsequently registered with the LTO, and the registration and plates were issued under my name. I have no idea why this issue is now happening. I want to reiterate that I purchased the vehicle in good faith and believed that everything was properly documented and legally registered. I have already cooperated with the LTO regarding the issue involving the plates, and I will also fully cooperate with the Bureau of Customs, BOC, regarding this new matter. I respectfully maintain that I had no involvement in the importation, taxation, or registration of this vehicle beyond purchasing it in good faith from J-Works. I sincerely hope that J-Works will provide an explanation and take the necessary steps to clarify and resolve this matter. I am willing to provide any documents or information in my possession and cooperate with the authorities as necessary to establish the facts.
Samantala, usap-usapan online ang tila patama ni Ellen Adarna sa isang Instagram story nitong Sabado. Lack of due diligence, poor discernment, or just another excuse to blame someone else. Either way, it's getting so old. Maybe accountability would be a refreshing change. Dahil dito, naghinala ang ilang netizens na maaaring patungkol kay Derek Ramsey ang naturang mensahe ng aktres. Lalo't napapanahon ito sa gitna ng isyong kinakaharap ng aktor. Gayunpaman, wala namang binanggit na pangalan si Ellen sa kanyang post.